Check it out. All right, guys, back with another AMC and APE update. I have fundamentals and technicals saying that we are about to go on a nice pop to the upside. This is just my personal opinion, my beliefs. I'm just some guy on the internet. Don't listen to me, but hey, I think I am pretty good at technical analysis. So let's go ahead and check out the fundamental data telling us all the same thing and the technical analysis telling us all the same thing on AMC, APE, and SPY. And I also do a quick Bitcoin prediction at the end. So if you want to see that, go ahead and check that out. Also, I have a Twitter and Discord. They're completely free. You can check those out as well for more updates. Let's go ahead and get in the charts, the data, and see what we have going on. We are back and we're looking at AMC and APE and the overall stock market. So basically, last trading day on Friday, and again, overall market is not opened up until Tuesday. So Monday will be no trading due to President's Day. But anyways, on Friday, basically what we saw is the overall market get pulled back. AMC held up extremely well. The overall market still looking extremely strong. They have this narrative right now that there's going to be a massive recession and that the whole world's going to collapse. And the charts are telling me that we are probably going to see a nice pump to the upside on SPY. And maybe things are going to get volatile, maybe go sideways. But right now, what the charts are telling me is we'll probably come back down, retest this big macro downtrend right here, and then bounce off of that and then continue to the upside. And then test one of these previous highs. So we'll keep coming up to test these highs, but after we come back down, test this overall macro trend, bounce to the upside, I think that there's going to be more upside for SPY, and I don't think that it's going to make sense on the macroeconomics of things. Like the whole world is supposed to be ending right now globally, like global recession, but I think that the SPY, I think that Bitcoin, I think that some of these assets are about to go on a massive bull run. So I would just be positioned both short and long. In my personal opinion, be ready for downside, but definitely be ready to take advantage of some upside that we're going to be seeing in these asset classes like SPY, Bitcoin, and things of that nature. But let's go ahead and get into AMC. That's basically my prediction for SPY. And if you guys want to see me do cryptocurrency as well, go ahead and drop that in the comments. But that is my prediction for SPY. Let's go ahead and get an AMC. I'm going to be doing the technical analysis and then the news. So basically for AMC, like I was saying, the overall market pulled back, but AMC held up very well. We only had a slight down day. I'm going to turn the Bollinger Bands off here. And let's turn the super trend on. So we can see that the super trend here is still saying sell on the daily. Now that is not necessarily a super bad thing. This is just one indicator of many, but it is a very useful indicator because as you guys can see on the 4-hour, it gave you this buy sign here right at the bottom of the falling wedge. We got the buy sign, and if you would have took advantage of that and got the buy right there when I did around this $4.40 level, able to pick up some shares for the cheap and then easily go ahead and then sell them and then buy more shares for your bigger bag, your MOAS bag, or take the cash, whatever the case may be. There's no shame in making money and some trades while you're holding your bag for MOAS. So basically, we have the green super trend saying it's a buy on the 4-hour still. And we had a little bit of pullback. I'm expecting to see a bounce. We got to see where this trend, because this wick comes down very far. So this is making basically a bull flag. It's a very bullish consolidation in my opinion. We're consolidating above the $5 level. I believe that if we can hold the $5 level, this thing's going to absolutely take off. We haven't even came down and test this uptrend yet that we had started previously before in the pre-market. We haven't even come down to test that. We could come back down and test that and still be extremely bullish. So basically what I am looking for is continued upside on AMC, basically a melt up effect. We do have the proxy votes going into effect. People are starting to put their votes in. You don't have to vote, but we do have the proxy vote going in right now. So this stuff is going to be affecting the price, and if we do see like the votes go through for APE AMC conversion, expect to see APE's price to go match AMC's price. It would be at about the same price as AMC. Um, but all of this stuff is basically baked into the price already. The market is a forward-looking instrument. So I really think that if there was a huge amount of money to be made, the prices would already be ready where they need to be. But anyways, I am looking for us to hold that $5 level, okay? It's going to be very important for us to hold that $5 level and remain above $5. If we drop below $5, I'm looking at $4.95 as support, and again, $4.60, $4 and about 69 cents, $4.70 as support as well. And again, if we come down and test this overall downtrend, it would still be extremely bullish if we like the market opened up and we had a big down day. But I'm really expecting to see AMC just start to melt to the upside. I really think that we're going to consolidate a little bit more, but I think it's going to start forming this bull flag and then pop to the upside, and we're going to see a nice run to the upside. This just what the technicals are telling me. If you look on the bigger time frames of things, we have the green weekly MACD. Every time we have green weekly MACD, we have nice big run-ups. Okay, we have these big massive run-ups. We have AMC on the threshold security list. Okay, and the FTDs are absolutely going to be due. We have FTDs due on the 20th, which will be the 21st because of the market not being open on Monday. Then we have the 23rd and the 24th FTDs closing date because of T plus 35. T plus 35 closeout date for the FTDs. These shares must be bought to close the failure to deliver positions. Positions that have not been closed must be closed. So these are the closeout dates. This is guaranteed buying pressure that we're going to have on AMC stock. I'm basically looking for AMC stock to start melting up and start taking off. We have a lot of gamma building up in the options chain. If you guys look, and I always say this all the time, if we get past $8 to $10, if you see AMC get to $8 to $10, expect it to do very large dollar movements to the upside. It's going to get very, very volatile, and things can get very, very quickly or very, very crazy very, very quickly with this stock. I've seen it before. I've been holding this stock. I've been trading this stock. I've seen it. Things can get out of control fast. And if you look at all of the call options, we have 41,000 calls expiring in the money if we can get above $6. So if we get a push to $6, you're easily going to see this thing launched in $8 to $10. And at $8 or $10, we could get that push to the upside that will take us out, that will take us up. Now, people always ask, well, won't they just halt us? Listen, if they halt us, and because every time we've seen a halt and we've gotten pushed back down, every time we've had a halt, we've had massive downside after each and every halt, every single time. If they halt this stock, and you see continued upside, no, we are dead in MOAS. Like it's happening right then and there. If we see a halt and this thing just keeps going up, because last time they halted us right here, boom, halted us, boom, and we've just seen days of bleeding after that. Like they halt us, what they do is they do those halts and then they do short ladder attacks. So they halt us to stop all that momentum, they halt it, boom, and then they short ladder us down, and they get people discouraged and people start selling out, and then the call options start dumping, and then they ride puts and they just ride this down and they make money on that. Best believe that. But if they halt the stock and it sees continued upside, know that you are dead in MOAS. Like it's happening right then and there. So have your sell plans ready, guys. Have your exit plan ready, because we've been holding on to these shares for a long, long time. And we are going to have to get ready to let go of these shares. So if we push past this major resistance point here at between $6, $6.50, extremely bullish. Okay, extremely bullish. That's why I have it marked here on the chart. It's been major resistance for us, and every time we get above it, we see nice pops to the upside. As you guys see, we popped above it before and had this nice pop to the upside all the way to $9.15. So I am looking for an overall big run on AMC. Like I was saying, green weekly MACD, FTDs, guaranteed buying pressure. We have lots of gamma. And then, of course, reporting on short interest, 22.93%. Anytime we have short interest this high, you always see nice run-ups to the upside. APE's official short interest is 6.76%, but it is on Yahoo's top shorted stock list for the most shorted stocks of the whole stock market. And basically, that is also a short squeeze indicator. And I am looking for APE for a short squeeze as well. I think APE is going to make nice gains to the upside. Let's go ahead and do the technical analysis for AMC APE. And then I'm going to wrap up the video. So basically, what we have for AMC APE is we are consolidating in this nice bull flag. Also, real quick for AMC, if you do put on the Bollinger Bands for the lower time frame, so if you go ahead and put on the Bollinger Bands, drop it down to the 1 hour, you can see that the Bollinger, anytime you see the Bollinger Band squeeze outside of it and then consolidate like this, come back inside, and then they get real tight. Like you see how they got tight here, and you see a nice pop to the upside. That's what's happening here. They're getting tight again. We're probably going to see a nice pop to the upside. Bollinger Bands can be used to indicate large movements before they happen because they get real tight. And when they get tight, that means a big movement is coming. You can see it even better on the weekly time frame. So here, Bollinger Bands start curling in on themselves, pop to the upside. Then they got overextended, but if you see, they still start curling in on themselves, pop to the upside. And again, even here on the weekly time frame, Bollinger Bands once again getting tight and ready for another pop to the upside. But let's go ahead and get back to APE technical analysis. Right, back to the 4 hour. And basically what I was saying is we are consolidating here and getting, again, with the Bollinger Bands, getting tight, getting ready to make a nice move to the upside. I'm expecting APE to probably consolidate for another maybe two. So maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we might see a run up Thursday or Friday. But I'm expecting it to consolidate basically between these levels of $2.35 and $2.60, basically the levels that we have been consolidating in between. I'm expecting that to can happen maybe all the way out to this trend line, which would take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7, 8 days of consolidation, basically waiting for the votes to come through, waiting for AMC to make a move. But we are definitely going to be retesting this high of $3.36. APE had this nice bullish movement, and then now it's consolidating in this nice bull pennant, and I'm just waiting for this thing to pop to the upside. We're in this great consolidation pattern right here, and things are looking extremely good for APE. We have the Bollinger Bands getting tight, telling us a big move is coming, and we have, let's see, we have the super trends. Super trends are basically still on sell. On the smaller time frames, they are starting to get to that buy signal, so that is saying, hey, there is going to be bullish momentum to the upside coming. I'm expecting that to translate into the 4 hour. And then once we see the 4 hour flip back to a buy, you know this thing is going to be ready to absolutely rip and pump. We still have it on a buy on the daily. So APE is looking extremely good. And if you look at the overall technical pattern of this, APE is going to be returning back to about $7. Easily $5 to $7. APE, just off technicals alone, APE is going back to $5 to $7, just off technicals alone. So there's definitely money here to be made in these stocks. So this is the technical analysis for AMC and APE and the overall stock market. If you guys want me to cover any other stocks, go ahead and let me know. If you guys want me to check out Bitcoin as well, let me know. Basically, what I'm looking at on Bitcoin is it to go back to 30 to 35K. And once we get to 30 to 35K, that's going to be confirmation of a new bull run. And once we have the confirmation of the new bull run, all the normies and stuff are going to get in, and it's going to probably run us up to like all-time highs. We could go up to another triple top on Bitcoin. Basically, we could either come back up to another triple top, maybe top out a little bit higher. But if we pass this top here, it's gonna rocket. So we'll see when the time comes. But I think Bitcoin's going to go on a new bull run. The technicals on the daily are looking great. We have green super trend on the daily on Bitcoin, and then we're also consolidating in a nasty bull flag. But if you guys want to see me cover anything else, go ahead and let me know. That is the video for AMC and APE. And again, I do cover cryptocurrency as well, stocks and all of that stuff in between. So if you found the video informative, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. Remember, cost to borrow for AMC, I did not report that, is still hovering between 150, 170%. We have the APE short interest at 6.76%. We have short interest for AMC 22.93%. And we have FTDs available, ready to go. Gamma ready to launch us. But that is the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and again, you can check out my Twitter and Discord. I drop stock picks, crypto updates, AMC updates, everything, all types of things there. And you can also talk to me there as well on Discord, and I'm going to start doing live stream there as well. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and drop down with the comments in the description. But as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.